to my channel. I'm Ada. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new, thank you so much for watching. And be sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload new videos. So I got some new glasses in the mail again, and I wanted to unbox them for you guys. And I'm super excited for these because this is the first time I've got some transition lenses from Zenni, so we're gonna see how those work. Right. So let's get to opening these. I'm super excited. Go. Why do I always get ones that are open? Like, do y'all see this? Like, seriously, why do I always get ones that are open? All right, so we're gonna pull out the open ones first because they're opened. Anyways, so they come in the bags that look like this. They say Zenni on one side, and they actually changed the container. I wish I had one of the other containers around here, but I don't know where it is. But this is what it looks like, and it says like Zenni all over this. It says Zenni.com on the back. All right, so, and then inside says trendy, not spendy. And they come in these little bags. They keep them nice and protected, and they come with little things to tell you how to care for them. And then they also come with these new Zenni cloths, which look like this. Oh, and for whatever reason, once again, they only have the protective thing on one foot, on one leg, whatever. So these are the first ones I got. I thought they were cute. They got like the little blue accents around them. So let's try these ones on. Ooh, I love when I can't see. Ooh boy. What do y'all think? Do these look nice? Trying to like look in my mirror back there. I think these ones are cute. Here's the next pair, and basically the same thing. They come in the same type of box. These ones, however, nope, disregard. So same thing. They come in the plastic bag with the care sheet. Probably no one reads. Little cloth again. I think these ones, yeah. These ones I have purchased so many times. I just like them. So these are the ones in taupe, and I think these were also in the last video too. So creature of habit. Ooh, the arms on this are the arms on this one are so like, they're definitely not going anywhere. And my dog finds me boring because she's out there yawning. And our next pair, let's see, let's open these up. Ooh, look at this. It like almost perfectly matches the Zenni container. I'm excited for these. I feel like these are the most different from what I normally get. Oh yeah, these are, oh boy. Look at these. Look at that. Ah. All right. Oh. All right, so these match my shirt a little bit, like, you know, this stuff right here matches. I don't know how I feel about these. Like, I don't know. What do y'all think? Comment below what you think of these ones. I don't know. I'm not used to having glasses with this shape, so we'll see how I feel about them after wearing them for a while. I don't know. These ones were the most expensive, and I just wanted to try the transition lenses because the last time I had transition lenses was years ago, and it cost me like $200 for those glasses because I got them from the eye doctor, and my son broke them in like 2 weeks. So we not do that again. This is what these ones look like. And I thought these were so cute. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on the camera or not, but they have like kind of a marbly blue. Let me see if turning on the light will help that. So like you can kind of see it, like the marble blue. So here Here we go. Oh boy. These are way different than what I'm used to. Ugh. I might have to fix some things here. I lied. These ones were $35.95, and then the add-ons that I got was the add-on I got with the transition and then the anti-reflect. It was $29 for the transition lenses in gray, and then it was $4.95 for the anti-reflect. So altogether, these were $69.90, and then the other ones I got, the blue ones that were previous to these were $6.95, and then I got the anti-reflect put on those, and then the taupe colored ones were $9.95, and then the very first pair were $27.95. And these are the only ones that had the transitions put on. So I have to say, for being $35, they definitely feel like, I don't know, they feel like they might break easily, especially like the lens parts around here. I don't know. But we will see how they do when I walk outside. They're also, these are also like the first pair of glasses that I've actually worn with the nose, like these little nose pads, in a while. Because I normally don't get them like that. These things feel uneven. So I got these with the like nose pads because I wanted to see if maybe they slid less, or if there's any difference between like these and the normal glasses I get where they're just basically like the glasses with no nose pads. So we'll see, but I hope you guys like this video of me unboxing my new Zenni glasses. And leave a comment below of which pair of glasses you think look the best. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell before you go so you don't miss the next time I upload a video. Bye guys.